screw in there, wind it in, and then yank them out.
So I needed some new arms for the rear of the RC car, so I had issues where the top arm here was actually giving it too much camber in the rear, so it wasn't actually bearing out the tyres evenly. So in came along the 3D printer and I designed some new ones, a little bit longer, I hope it's more squat and not more square. So 3D printer comes definitely in handy.
So I'm just doing a bit of a injector rebuild. So these are Mitzi 450s, I believe. Yeah, there you go. NDL 450. They're what's in the 86. So I've been having, I don't know, when I'm on high boost, like 20 pound, it must blow past a bit. These seals here which sit down in the head. So I thought it was about time I should actually probably redo the seals. I've never done the seals, they were just pretty hard factory items. So talked to the guys at Alltech and got a new set of filters, bottom seals, top seals, and then these rubber bush type things where they sit up against the rail. So I've just removed a couple filters from the standard injectors. These sit up in the top here. They've literally filtered the fuel that goes before the injector. So to get those out, you literally stick a screw in there, wind it in, and then yank them out. And I've just pressed a new one in to there, and put it in there, tapped it with the hammer a few times, pushed it down on there, and it's flush as. So it's all pretty easy. Should probably get them like flow tested or something, but that involves money and involves taking them somewhere, so that can wait. One day when I do bigger injectors I'll get that done. So yeah, it's just a matter of put a new seal on the top here, a new seal on the bottom, put them back in the rail, stick them back in the car. Yeah, all new filter baskets, all new seals, and hopefully the seals a bit better and less smelly fuel issues. So I got all the new seals in, new filters in, back in the rail. I like to use rubber grease on it a little bit, so ever so slightly on the seals and stuff, just so they don't bind. That way they slide in there nicely and seal up. So yeah, now time to chuck it back on the car and basically you just drive it like normal. Hopefully you just won't smell any more fuel. I only felt it and smelt it under high boost. Otherwise they were fine, but just good to do. Good to tidy them up and make them all happy days.